In today's video, I'll show you how to start eBay dropshipping in under 2 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your account, find products, and start selling with confidence. Begin by creating an eBay seller account. You can choose an individual account if you're just starting out, or a business account if you plan to scale and need more features. Once your account is ready, the next step is product research. Search eBay for trending items, study what's selling well, and check out eBay's bestseller data. The goal is to find products with steady demand and decent profit margins. With your product ideas ready, the next move is choosing reliable suppliers. Look for suppliers with strong reviews, fast shipping, accurate tracking, and good quality control. This is crucial because your supplier's performance becomes your reputation on eBay. Now it's time to create your listings. Use clear, high-quality images and write detailed descriptions that tell buyers everything they need to know. Features, materials, dimensions, and benefits. Accurate listings lead to fewer returns and more positive feedback. Once your listings are live, focus on managing orders quickly and keeping communication sharp. When a customer buys from you, place the order with your supplier right away and make sure the supplier ships on time. Always respond to customer questions politely and promptly. Great service is one of the biggest drivers of repeat sales on eBay. And finally, when you're ready to automate, tools like AutoDS, Wholesale 2B, and Sprocket can help you handle product research, inventory syncing, order automation, and tracking, all without manual effort. And that's it. With smart product choices, strong suppliers, and consistent service, you will be on your way to running a smooth and profitable eBay dropshipping business.